Good morning, everyone. Today we're in the Loch Vale, just past Loch Lake. We're gonna come here for sunrise, but the abundance of wind and lack of clouds didn't really make for the best conditions. But today we're just gonna do a quick hike. We're going for two lakes, Embryo Lake and Andrews Tarn. And once we complete that, we'll have every lake completed in the Loch Vale. So looking forward to that. So we're here at the turnoff for Andrews Tarn, and I think we're gonna hit up, we're gonna hit up Andrews Tarn first, then return to this point to do Embryo Lake. We're at the Andrews Creek campsite turnoff, but we need to go up. So recently there's been a ton of wildfires here in Colorado, and if you look behind me, you can see the sun. That is something we haven't really seen in the last couple of weeks. So that's really awesome that the smoke's starting to clear up in this area. We were out here yesterday and it was pretty hazy, but I think it was more because of the rain than the smoke in the air. But this is awesome. Glad to see these bluebird skies again.
Pristine.
This trail, or lack thereof, is kind of marked with cairns. So far they seem to be pretty on point. Very rocky back here. A lot of it's gonna just be pick your own path. I mean, these are some giant boulders. This thing's like the size of a semi-truck. Holy moly. That is one heck of a view. Haven't seen the spires from this angle before. That's very, very amazing. All right, so we've been hanging around here at Andrews Tarn for about 30 minutes or so, maybe 45. It's a pretty awesome lake, Tarn. Also, Andrews Glacier right behind me. Some say it's the only true glacier in Rocky Mountain National Park, so it's pretty cool. There's some skiers going up the glacier right now, probably gonna ski down. It's a steep hike out here. The entire shore's rocky, but there's a pretty good path. But so yeah, this is Andrews Tarn. Next destination, Embryo Lake. All right, so we're back here at Andrews Creek Trail Junction. Just got back from Andrews Tarn, Andrews Glacier. So now we're looking to go to Embryo Lake. It's a off-trail hike, unmaintained trail, official named lake. Let's go get it. So the Lake of Glass Sky Pond Trail Junction's right here. I think we're just gonna walk right past it and go into these woods. Doesn't look too bad. All right, no matter which way we go, we have to cross this creek. So we're just looking for a nice spot. This path looks worn down. Look at this little pond, all grassy and stuff. All right, y'all, here we are, Embryo Lake. All right, we are done here at Embryo Lake. It's like a piece of PVC out here. I don't know what that's about. Something's piped out here, but yeah, Embryo Lake. I don't know if it's worth the trek to go off trail to actually visit this place, but you're not gonna find anyone here. Pretty cool views, not bad actually. You can see Timberland Falls from here. That does it. I mean, yesterday we knocked out Shelf and Solitude, and today we knocked out Andrews Tarn and Embryo Lake, and we have now completed all the lakes in the Glacier Gorge and the Loch. Time to move on to another section of the park and knock that out. So we're gonna get back to the trailhead, get back to Denver. Comment, like, subscribe if you like the content that I make. I make new videos weekly. So until the next hike, y'all, catch y'all around. Well, just stumbled upon this area. No idea, but there's power out here. That would explain the PVC thing for some reason. Some coolers. Wonder if they got any beer. But what are these?
Hope we don't get in trouble for this or something.
You see any no trespassing signs?
No.
Okay then. Yeah. If anyone knows what this is, hit us up.